Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to share some amazing methods to help you remove those pesky blackheads and whiteheads from your nose. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, or any other skin type, we have got you covered. So, if you are ready to have a clearer and smoother complexion, keep watching. But before we dive into the solutions, let us first understand why blackheads appear on your skin and what can help you get rid of them. Understanding the root cause is essential for effective treatment. So, let us get to the bottom of it. Causes and types of blackheads. Blackheads are a type of clogged pores that occur when dead skin cells block your pores. The reaction of these blocked pores with oxygen causes them to turn black, making them easily visible. Various factors can contribute to the formation of blackheads, such as hormonal changes during puberty, menstruation, pregnancy, stress, sweating, alcohol, caffeine, smoking, improper face cleansing, and the use of oil-based products. It's also important to note that what you may think is a blackhead could actually be sebaceous filaments. These filaments are gray, smooth to the touch, and not related to acne. Now that we have a better understanding, let us move on to the methods that will help you overcome this issue. Method 1: Lemon and Sea Salt Mask. One of the most effective ways to clean your nose from blackheads is by using a quick mask containing lemon and sea salt. Here's a simple recipe you can try. First, mix 1 tablespoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of water in a bowl. Apply this mixture to the black spots on your nose, gently rubbing it in a circular motion. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse your face with warm water, followed by cold water to close the pores. Don't forget to moisturize afterward. Repeat this mask once a week, and you will be surprised by the results. Method 2: Oatmeal, lemon juice, and plain yogurt scrub. If you have sensitive or dry skin, don't worry. We have a more gentle yet effective method for you. Here's what you will need. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and the juice of half a lemon. Apply the mixture to your nose and leave it on for 10 minutes. Afterward, rinse your face with water and apply moisturizer. Repeat this scrub once a week, and say goodbye to those stubborn blackheads. Method 3: Homemade honey strips. Now, let us move on to a DIY solution using honey. You don't need to buy expensive cleansing strips when you can make your own. Here's how. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of milk. Heat the mixture in the microwave for about 5 to 10 seconds, making sure it's not too hot. Apply the warm mixture to your nose and place a cotton strip gently over it. Leave the strip on for 15 to 20 minutes, then carefully peel it away. Rinse your nose with cold water to close the pores. Repeat this procedure once a week, and you will be amazed by the results. Method 4: Cinnamon and honey strips. If you are looking for another effective combination to fight blackheads, try using cinnamon and honey strips. Here's what you will need. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply a thin layer of the mixture to your nose, then place a strip over it. Leave the strip on for 5 to 10 minutes, then peel it away. Rinse your face with cold water. Repeat this method once a week to keep those blackheads at bay. Method 5: Green tea scrub. Last but not least, let us explore the benefits of green tea in your battle against blackheads. Here's a simple scrub you can make at home. Brew a green tea bag in 1/3 cup of water until it becomes lukewarm. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of lukewarm green tea. Stir well, then add another tablespoon of sugar. Gently rub the scrub onto your nose in a circular motion, avoiding the eyes and nostrils. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off with cold water to close the pores. Green tea helps reduce oil and inflammation on the skin, making it a great ally in your fight against blackheads. So, there you have it. 5 effective methods to remove blackheads from your nose. Remember, achieving clear and healthy skin requires consistent care and effort. Feel free to experiment with these methods and find what works best for your skin type. We'd love to hear your experiences and any additional tips you have in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Please make sure to subscribe to discover more body and beauty secrets. See you soon.